On the subject of banks, Commonwealth's Chief Executive Ralph Norris is warning that over-regulation of the banking sector could hinder competition. Green Senator Bob Brown wants to stop the banks increasing interest rates beyond the Reserve Bank rate. But Ralph Norris says politicians should be careful about unintended consequences. Emily Stewart reports.
It's been a tough couple of weeks for the Commonwealth Bank boss, who kicked off the round of bank bashing with his decision to increase interest rates by more than the official rate rise.
If I had to make the same decision again, I would make the same decision.
And with the Greens hoping to pass legislation that aims to further regulate banks, Ralph Norris warns politicians to be careful.
Typically in any industry, regulation, if not well thought out, creates a barrier to entry.
He also took aim at the media and politicians after being misquoted in some News Limited newspapers about foreclosures last week, which resulted in a censure motion in the New South Wales Parliament.
In this country, populism tends to overcome fact, and we see a lot of institutions that should know a damn sight better masquerading fiction as fact.
And at a media conference after lunch, Mr Norris was keen to set the record straight regarding mortgage foreclosures.
Certainly the last thing that I want to see is our mortgage customers have foreclosures. Over the last 18 to 24 months, we've assisted thousands of home borrowers to actually stay in their homes.
The banks have been under attack for raising rates while posting record profits this financial year, but Ralph Norris says the banking sector isn't doing as well as some other industries.
Yes, the numbers are large, but the businesses are large. But when you look at it on a normalised basis of ROE, the returns in the banking industry are not much more than half than what they are in the mining industry or in some segments of the retail industry in particular.
The bank bosses' big pay packets have also been an ongoing issue, with Ralph Norris having to justify why he is receiving just over $16 million this year.
I don't determine my pay package. I have certain performance hurdles that are put in place. My payroll or my package has been voted on by our shareholders for the last 4 or 5 years, and in every instance the shareholders have approved my remuneration by over 90%, so I don't have anything further to add.
The Australian Institute says official figures indicate banks are profiteering, with the average cost of funding their loans climbing less than the Reserve Bank's cash rate in the year to June. Ralph Norris denied this, saying there's a basic flaw in the estimation, and had a kick at journalists over getting facts right.
Some of you journalists had the wit to actually look into some of these some of this data that's provided to you and actually did some of the analysis rather than just taking some of the stuff as gospel. Then you might get to the truth.
On a more positive note, he thinks the Australian economy is in good shape and believes markets will improve in the next year to 18 months.